Give me an inch and I'll take the whole mile. I got so much swag you can borrow a little style. I'm the shit, I was born on the pal. Mama's only son, but not the only child. Papa was a Rolling Stone and ship off the old block. Keep a bitch behind my campaign like Barack Obama. I'm a hustler on mamas, you get greeted with llamas, I promise, but only hoes we break those. I suppose you don't listen to Moss, all on my page, but you don't fuck with the boss. The truth of it all, nigga, I outshine you all. Why you timid and won't pass the ball? I'm a hog maul, you Rudy Boots is chitlins, and this exclusive top ramen Kool-Aid, 16 out the sidekick. Go on ahead and get a bar of this, you can leave now. The door is ajar, nigga.
The door's open, you don't nobody here, nigga. I'm the early bird, I wake the rooster up. I brought the cream of the crop, bruh. I can't lose no hold, no breaks. If you can't bake, then we can't talk about cakes. I'm the early bird, I wake the rooster up. Brought coffee for the cream of the crop, bruh. Can't stop, lost control, no breaks. If you can't bake, then we can't talk cakes.
In the drought, couldn't get an ounce of face, so I sacked up my pride and got straight to the blade. Breaststroke, let you niggas nose dive. Went from top ramen to eating steak in a high rise. 24s on the scrape, yeah, I rise. I'm from the rich, so it's never no high side. In and out of state, addicted to that I-5. Always on the go while you shucking and
just woke up in this motherfucker.
I know it, you got some weed.
Maybe I'll drive you. I'm out of range, so it ain't no
Hey, a gram shot, I ain't sleeping tonight.
Woke up out my sleep, I had a dream I was falling.
I'm the early bird, I wake the rooster up. I brought coffee for the cream of the crop, bruh. I can't lose, lost control, no breaks. If you can't bake, then we can't talk about cakes. I'm the early bird, I wake the rooster up. I brought coffee for the cream of the crop, bruh. Can't stop, lost control, no breaks. If you can't bake, then we can't talk cakes. Thank you.